arriba. Ahí de su marca, se marca, you need more rubber, right?
No, creo que ahí alcanza.
Good?
Yeah.
Ready? Ahí le va aquí, dices, uno aquí. That's okay, it's okay. Just hold it right here. You got it, really hard. Ready for Bobby?
Más para acá.
For tomorrow. He can come and do it. ¿Es la misma altura para acá, dices?
Creo que sí. Ya, aquí le ponemos
Got it. Don't need it. Va a volar todo el suelo para allá, Está bien, poquito. Ahí está. Sí, porque estaba naneada. Compañero, otra copa me sirve. Ah, Dale, dale.
Porque dos piezas sobre la pared.
Mira, exactamente dos. Contame mis tornillos, los torniquetes. Tú chécate el nivel, porque te pones tu nivel, porque necesito levantarlo. No sé exactamente. Apagado los.
Anyways, this place is about done. The building pad looks phenomenal. It's been too windy to fly the drone a couple of days, but it looks really, really good. We've got this, blue room fell down, but this little low-lying area right in here, we're waiting on the gas company to move their meters out of our way so we can extend our parking area back in there. Building pad looks so good. It looks so good. Parking falls away. We got parking that goes all the way around the building and then goes around the existing building. Retention pond is in. Pit is that's what these fellers are here doing. They're putting the construction entrance back in. We had to cut it down a couple of feet. You'll see it's been, in the previous videos, the construction entrance is kind of high. The whole existing site was kind of high. So anyways, we got that cut in, so everybody building vertically can now come in the construction entrance and leave this existing parking lot alone. I said we got the retention pond in, but they're working now. I guess I'm gonna have to bring the 138 up to sit up there at the pit to get the pit completely backfilled. Nate's gonna hop in a 360 and load Bill in the dump truck, and we're just gonna piss sand some dirt from here over to the pit and get that completely. It probably needs 30-ish loads and it'll be backfilled. Then we're gonna compile that dirt, track walk it in, waddle it up, and then at the end of the project, we'll fill all the islands after curb comes in, fills up back of curb, waste as much as that dirt as we can, then turn around, probably, you guys heard us talking about maybe sifting it and selling it for the church and trying to help there. Shout out to these guys. This one was awesome. It went really, really well, went exactly how it was supposed to. So shout out to these guys, seriously. They're kicking the butt, kicking ass. Yeah, taking names. Here we go. So this is on the southern part of the job of the existing building at the very far. This is where everything's gonna drain to eventually through their existing parking lot, through some flared ends that's gonna be installed over the next course of the month. It's holding water right now because we don't have the flared end and the outlet structure in there yet. Got all this nice and flattened. This was the borrow pit area from the red dirt. Oh, we're gonna need more than 30-ish loads. But that was what Bill was talking about. We've got to get that filled up with that dirt over there where you see the 360 is right there. And they're basically just gonna truck that dirt behind the building pad, turn around, and back it up right here and get as much as they can back in here. But we're gonna need another machine on this end. Dozer's tied up on the next dirt project. Gonna bring the 138, speed both of these up just a little bit. I bet Zeus's boys that were sitting there waiting on a stake, we could probably grab one of them to come up and run the 138. And if the low boy was running, we could move it right now. But the low boy, the jaws on the low boy of the fifth wheel plate in the trailer itself are just wore out. I saw it, the driver saw it, shout out to Mr. Jim, and that's trying to keep them guys safe. Well, that's just keeping the public safe when you're transporting any type of machine or goods or whatever. If you're on the public highways, you need to make sure your truck and trailer's good. And he pointed something out to me and I'm like, nope, that's it. That's all we can do here. We don't need to be doing anything like that. We gotta shut it down. So this little area though, I wanted to point out, the last contractor that was in here was supposed to take this asphalt actually out to within about 3 feet of that berm you guys can see of the cut line, 3 feet laterally. But that construction never happened, got paid for it, but we're gonna get it completed for them. And then that way we can continue on with our trickle channel into our retention pond off the sheet drainage of the parking lot. Here we go.